Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Backing up your Thunderbird emails is essential to protect your data from computer crashes or accidental deletions. There are two main ways to do this. The first method involves using the built-in export tool found within the application. Open Thunderbird and click the menu button in the top right corner. Select the Tools menu and then click Export. Choose a folder on your computer or an external drive to save the zip file. This creates a complete snapshot of your messages and settings. The second method is a manual profile backup, which is often more reliable for full restores. Start by closing Thunderbird completely. Press the Windows key and the letter R at the same time on your keyboard. Type %appdata% and hit Enter. This opens your roaming folder. Find the folder named Thunderbird and right-click on it. Select Copy from the menu. Now navigate to your backup location like a USB thumb drive or cloud storage folder. Right-click in the empty space and select Paste. Your entire profile, including all accounts and emails, is now safely backed up. If you ever need to restore your data on a new computer, you just need to place this folder back into the same app data location before opening the program. Regularly performing these steps ensures you never lose important conversations. You should aim to back up your important data at least once a month. Keeping a copy on an external drive is the safest bet against hardware failure. This simple process keeps your digital life organized and secure without needing any expensive software or complicated technical skills.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.